Hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily find your deleted posts on Facebook. Also subscribe to our channel, put likes, write comments, and let's get started. So first, we're going to open the Facebook app. Then, on the home page, you and I will need to go to our profile at the top of the screen, click on our image. And when we get to our page, we need to find 3 dots. I have them right here underneath the picture. Some people might have them at the top of the screen in the right-hand corner. So we click on the 3 dots to go to the settings menu. And this is where we find the activity log. At the top, we find the trash can. And we'll click on that. And this is where we can see the posts that we've deleted from our page. And we can see that there are 16 days left until this post is absolutely deleted. So if you don't want to wait for that time, what can we do? You and I can delete the post that has already been deleted and not wait for the time, after which it will be deleted automatically. We can also, if we click on View, to see what that post was. And let's say, if you think you like that post and you don't want to delete it, then you can move it to the archive. Or you can restore it to your profile altogether. As soon as you click Restore this post to profile, it will be restored immediately, at the same date, in the same place you deleted it. It won't look like a new post. That's how you can find your deleted posts on Facebook. And also further down the line, you can decide whether you want to delete them or you want to reactivate them. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us likes, write your comments. See you later.